Hello everyone. Welcome to our fascinating journey into the microscopic world of climate helpers. In our video today, we'll explore 9 tiny organisms that could help stabilize our climate. From bacteria mediating the methane cycle to humble fungi helping capture carbon, these microorganisms might just hold the key to tackling the pressing climate crisis. So, let's dive right in to uncover how these invisible allies are performing massive tasks in stabilizing our planet's climate. 1. Methanotrophic bacteria. Methanotrophs might be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to turning methane, a dangerous greenhouse gas, into harmless compounds. Methane has an alarming global warming potential that's up to 86 times higher than carbon dioxide over 2 decades. Methanotrophic bacteria eat them up, converting them into substances that are far less harmful to our climate. The science community is buzzing with initiatives like those at Windfall Bio, where these microbes are introduced into farming soils. Not only do they capture methane emissions, but they also convert it to organic fertilizer. This dual action not only curbs emissions but also enriches the soil, paving the way for healthier crop yields. 2. Cyanobacteria. Known for their blue-green hue, cyanobacteria are like tiny powerhouses, extracting carbon dioxide through photosynthesis and giving life-sustaining oxygen in return. This remarkable ability aids in balancing the carbon cycle. By fixing atmospheric nitrogen, they promote soil fertility and enhance plant growth, which in turn allows for greater carbon capture. In our oceans, these organisms play a significant role in carbon fixation, helping regulate global carbon cycles. Their resilience across diverse habitats makes them indispensable allies in our quest to improve natural carbon stores. 3. Denitrifying bacteria. Denitrifying bacteria shoulder the important job of converting soil nitrates into skybound nitrogen gas, consequently dialing down emissions of nitrous oxide, a potent greenhouse gas that outpaces carbon dioxide by a warming factor of about 265. An impressive representative of this group is Cloacibacterium sp. CbO1, which has shown a striking 94% reduction in nitrous oxide emissions when applied to fertilized soils. By incorporating these bacterial workers into agriculture, emissions from farming activities can see a significant drop, contributing to a healthier atmosphere. 4. Marine phytoplankton. At the base of the oceanic food chain, marine phytoplankton conduct photosynthesis on a grand scale under the sea, absorbing carbon dioxide and serving as an integral part of the biological carbon pump. This pump transfers carbon from surface waters down to the deeper ocean, a key process in sequestering carbon. Scientists propose encouraging their growth by managing ocean nutrients, which may increase this carbon sequestration. However, such efforts need to be approached with caution to prevent any harmful ripples throughout ocean ecosystems. 5. Soil fungi. Mycorrhizal fungi enter into a mutualistic relationship with plant roots, expanding their reach into the soil and boosting nutrient absorption. This mutually beneficial arrangement promotes robust plant growth, enhancing carbon capture both above and below ground. Additionally, these fungi aid in forming soil aggregates, which stabilize soil space and foster increased carbon storage. Land management that supports these fungal networks could provide a sustainable method for balancing the planet's carbon scales. 6. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria. The likes of Rhizobium species have become nature's fertilization specialists. Clinging to legumes, they transform atmospheric nitrogen into forms plants can easily absorb, negating the need for synthetic nitrogen fertilizers. These synthetic approaches are not only energy-draining but also emit greenhouse gases. Embracing nitrogen-fixing crops in agriculture potentially enhances soil health while simultaneously trimming down agriculture's carbon footprint. 7. Sulfate-reducing bacteria. In the intimate shadows of marine sediments, sulfate-reducing bacteria reduce sulfates to hydrogen sulfide in the presence of decaying organic matter. This dance plays a role in the sulfur cycle, and this process bolsters carbon storage by creating metal sulfides, which serve to stabilize organic carbon. A deeper grasp of how these microorganisms work allows for improved tactics in storing carbon more efficiently within marine environments. 8. Iron oxidizing bacteria. Not many organisms can claim iron as their energy source, but iron oxidizing bacteria do just that. In watery domains, they oxidize ferrous iron to ferric iron, contributing to sediments that sequester carbon. Their activities aid in nutrient loops as well, holding significant sway over primary productivity and carbon fixation. Understanding their potential could guide new strategies for addressing carbon challenges. 9. Atmospheric trace gas utilizing bacteria. Let us not overlook soil bacteria that thrive on trace gases like hydrogen and carbon monoxide for nourishment. As shown by work from researchers like Chris Greening, these bacteria help maintain the composition of our atmosphere while nurturing soil wellness. Consequently, they weave into carbon sequestration processes indirectly. Tapping into their capabilities might open new, novel avenues for climate change measures. These pint-sized organisms present a frontier of promise in the battle against climate instability. By leveraging these minute but mighty forces, we can pivot toward solutions that integrate microbial ingenuity into environmental stewardship and agricultural methodologies.